materials do you use when you're building models?
Very interesting question, Anna. Follow me.
Oh, this is super light. What's this, Ara?
This is a foam board. This is 14 by 11 inches. We got this in a pack of 25 for $20. Interesting deal, huh? Now, when you're painting this, do not use watercolors. It'll just soak right in. Use a thick type of paint so that it can show nicely and not dissolve in. Also, when you're cutting this thing, you need a very sharp object to cut it. Because if you use something like not sharp enough, it'll just get all crumbly on the sides.
This is so bendy. What's this?
This is a chipboard, Arnav. This is a 10 by 10 inch chipboard. Now we got this in a pack of 20 for $18. When you paint this, there's no problem. And in fact, it's nice and bendy as you can see. So this could do well for structures. Just make sure to glue it tight. Otherwise, see what happens there? They'll just go back out.
This is so hard and thick. What's this?
Now this is an MDF board. But see, this is 1/8 of an inch. It comes in all sizes. You call this hard, you don't know what you're seeing back there. Now we used this for our old airport and it was very, very, very hard to cut. But we managed to do it and this is a very, very, very sturdy. And as you can see, it came like this, a 4x4 board for around $10. And it paints nicely because we painted a layer of white paint over here.
Oh, this is cool. I can see it through it. What's that?
This is used for our transparent windows. There are different colors, but we chose blue. This is an 11 by 8 inch sheet. Now, why we're using this is for our structure's transparent windows. It will look really cool if you can see inside the airport, right?
Yeah. I'm assuming we can throw this, right?
No, Arnav. This we can use for basic models. If you're doing a professional work, I would not recommend it, but this is still a very useful product. We got this from Amazon, and you see, it's free. It's really nice to build models, but when you're painting this thing, it has a pattern of lines over here, so be careful while you're painting. Those patterns will show, but if you're doing something like model and you want it to look professional, I seriously would not recommend this, but this is great for basic models. Of course, wood is an option. They come in different types, and according to that, it can get expensive. Now, wood is hard to cut, but easy to paint. If you're doing a professional job, I would recommend this, but if you're on a budget, I would not recommend it. Again, to recap the materials, we have a blue plastic sheet, a chipboard, foam board, MDF, medium density fiber board, cardboard, and also there's wood. Links are in the description for these materials, and I'm off to modeling. Hope you enjoy your modeling.